Tired of the old ways of finance? Ever wondered how money could work in the digital age? Then you need to understand Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency. Think of it as money for the internet. But unlike traditional currencies, it's not controlled by a central bank or government. This decentralization is key. It means no single entity can control the supply of Bitcoin or manipulate its value. It operates on a peer-to-peer network, cutting out the middlemen. So, how does it work? The magic lies in the blockchain. The blockchain is a public distributed ledger. Every Bitcoin transaction is recorded on this ledger, and a copy of the ledger is shared across the entire network. This makes it transparent and secure. Because the blockchain is distributed and secured by cryptography, it's incredibly difficult to tamper with. This makes Bitcoin transactions virtually irreversible. Now, Bitcoin's value can fluctuate, sometimes dramatically. It's a relatively new asset, and its price is determined by supply and demand. While Bitcoin offers exciting possibilities for the future of finance, it's important to understand the risks. Do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Bitcoin, a new kind of money for a digital world.